there has been a strong campaign inside ZANU-PF promoting the ED 2030 agenda, which is the push to keep President Emerson Mnangagwa in power until the year 2030. Supporters of the agenda, including powerful business allies such as Kudakwashe Tagwiri, have been donating cars and other benefits to party leaders and structures. This has caused serious disagreements within the party and raised concerns across the country. Many people believe that these donations are being used to buy loyalty and to force the party to support the 2030 project. In a time when many Zimbabweans are struggling with unemployment and poverty, the giving away of expensive cars has angered the public and created the idea that the campaign is based on wealth and corruption rather than true political support. Inside ZANU-PF, the biggest resistance to the ED 2030 agenda is coming from Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Reports show that Chiwenga blocked the donation of cars to senior officials and has not supported the 2030 slogan. This silence is seen as a strong message that he does not agree with the movement. Some believe he still has strong influence in the military, which makes him an important figure who can challenge the agenda. A few weeks ago, Chiwenga appeared in full military uniform during a handover ceremony. This surprised many people, including Mnangagwa and his allies, because it reminded the nation of his past military authority and suggested that he still holds significant power. The timing of this action gave a signal that he is still a serious player in the power struggle. Chiwenga also made a public statement recently, saying that people who suddenly become rich should use their money to build factories and create jobs for young people instead of showing off their wealth. Many Zimbabweans saw this as a direct warning to Mnangagwa's allies, who are busy donating cars and spending large amounts of money during the 2030 campaign. His message suggested that the leadership should focus on real development instead of political displays. Because of these events, it is clear that there is a hidden conflict between the two top leaders, Mnangagwa and Chiwenga. The divisions are growing, and the push for the ED 2030 agenda has brought out deep tensions within the ruling party. The situation shows a wider national concern, as people question whether the leadership is focusing on personal power instead of solving the country's problems. The future of the 2030 movement is uncertain, and the internal disagreements could get worse. Ordinary citizens are watching closely as the power struggle continues, hoping that the country's leadership will put the needs of the people first.
Why is it that we are what I dictator? How can someone be a dictator asina umbotonge nyika? Dzimwe accountability dzomunoda kuvhunzana nadzo. Mnangagwa uri kudya mari left, right, center vachitenga mota with the taxpayers funds. Hapana kana one unomuruka wovhunza kuti nai vakomana, ko mari yedu iyi yamuri kutorai muchitenga mota zvipatara kusina todii nayo? Zero.
Can I ask a question?
All right. Let me pause and ask your question, but don't ask a question that is not related to
tell me what question to ask. I'm going to ask my question. My question was today, could Musoro wenyaya wakanzi opposition leader. Do we need one to remove ZANU-PF? And isusu tauya pano pa space with the intention that we are discussing different options.
So that's not a question.
Because zvakanzi opposition leaders, do we need to remove ZANU-PF? Saka isusu tauya pano pa space thinking kuti we are discussing different opposition leaders, which we need to remove ZANU-PF.
But you were attacking what
Mwendas, pause please. Because apakapa toda uzopinzana 10 vasunza ruoko vasunzazve, and Owen is there as well. Saka topanana machanza nditika. Saka champion, if you'd like to respond, just carry on. To continue.
All right. Shokutanga musoro wakati opposition leader.
Champion Mumuzwero.
So,
handisi kumunzwa.
so what are you saying? Opposition leader, are we
aiwa hamungati manje muyuta moti zvanzi kwai hatisi kumunzwa munomuyutirei vanhu kana muchida kukunzwa vanhu
Hatina kumuyuta.
ndanga ndakamutwa
Yakaita
do you think kana usina kundimuyuta ndingatadza kutaura? Guys, let's be honest.
It was a double mute on Goma. You can continue.
Thank you so much. Tarisai handiti kana tikawana munhu achiba mumunda, handiti munda wakanyorwa kuti pindai mose mutore, but tawana munda uchibiwa, tinotombofanira kudhila nenyaya yekuti ngatigadzirisei munhu watawana achiba, handiti kwete kuti toda kuti nokuda kwekuti iwe unoziva kuti waporonga, wapedza kuporonga woda kuti aiwa ngatidzokere kutopiki. Ngatidzokere kwawaporonga kwacho tiugadzire ikoko, tozoya kutopiki toidhila netopiki sezvazviri. Aiwa, ndosaka ndataura zviri pamusoro. I think ndataura zviri aiwa, iwe hauchamuda, handiti. Thank you so much. Iwe hauchamuda. Ina handina undoda chamisa. That's number one thing that you have to understand. Handina kumbotaura nezvokundoda chamisa. Handina kumboanswer that question anyway. Saka ini musoro weshoko kuti opposition leader, do we need one? Hapana kunzi opposition leaders. Handiti. Let's
But it means Kudijo, we need someone central, but that person has not been identified. So that's what we're exploring. Kudijo. Which leader do we need to oppose?
Mochinja topic
opposition leaders.
Do
we need one?
Azvinetsi tatenda azvinetsi. All right. Ndine mbudzi, ndine gbai. Ndokuvigira zviri zviviri zvakafanana here.
Hazvina?
All right. Kana zvisina kufanana.
Ukati imuka here.
Nai champion toda kubvunza mubvunzo. Muda kana muda maopposition mangani maleader mangani. You need one ka. And then wozoita vanhu vanenge vachimubatsira to remove ZANU-PF.
No, we don't need one. That's not a democracy, Mkoma.
No. When you say leader, they are talking of the president. Because we got opposition leader, you are talking of the person who is leading the opposition. We need one person to lead.
No, we don't need one person to lead. The thing is, imimi munogono support Chamisa ndeti mungana gono support Madam Valerio. Don't democracy yacho. Whoever is leading opposition, but it doesn't mean that we need one specific leader. But in Yanga daughter again, let me speak. Anyway,
Koinda so. That's mamuga mne energy. Gashdayo. Order E and Ditika. The order is going to be like this. If champion was done, the person who was coming next was 10. Then after 10 it was Owen. After Owen it's Tapio. Ndo mafambrezi anyway. Saya champion kana wanga pizza to pashedu 10 kana wanga satu pizza chipezza 1 minute.
But tena totaura kaun.
Anditi munoona ma-interruptions arikito. Naita tenda muri kuona ma-interruptions arikito. Anditi. Inini I don't have a problem. Why interrupter? Ini ndongokera on nezvandiri kuita, nezvandiri kutaura. As long zvisati zvapera mumusoro mangu zvandoda kutaura. Saka tichiinda mberi, nyaya yokuti ndosaka ndanichiti vakomana, yes, opposition leader unodikama, but opposition leader with a confused supporters, it's just not even doing justice to anything. One, the problem that we have as Zimbabweans, we are too accepting to anything that is useless. I'm not saying my opposition leaders to other do too, but my opposition leaders acho anozouya in form of ZANU-PF yatiri kuda kubvisa yacho. Saka ndo dambudziko redu zvokuti zvanzi kwai ngative nema-opposition leaders akawanda akuita sei. I don't have a problem. Inini zvangu, if it was to my own making and vanhu were like me, anditika taita ma-political parties only 2. Do you know the reason why I want 2? Because zvose zvimwashu-mwashu zvinozouya zvinobva zvashayiwa basa todhila nemain problem, because main problem is a ruling party that is misruling. It has misruled Zimbabwe from its inception, from 1980 until where we are right now, in 45 years. We are now going to 46 years. And Zimbabwe ratova baba, but baba rechingomwa because harina kana mwana anofara. Why riri ngomwa? Because harina kana nemwana. Zimbabwe yatiri kutaura inongwana mafurutsu kuna vamwe vanhu. The democratic dividend has never been enjoyed by anybody. The independence dividends were never even enjoyed by anybody. Why? There are just a few, selected few, who are playing and romanticizing the system, who are benefiting. And that should be a worry to all of us. That is the reason why all of us right now, we have left our country. It's not because we like. It's because you have seen greener pastures somewhere where your skill, where your mind, your vision is being cultivated, right? Supported, and even cherished. If that was not the case, I don't think some of us would have left our country. But here we are because of what is happening. The only problem that I have with every person is that in each and every political party that we have in Zimbabwe, we have got confused supporters. And those are the major problems of our political terrain in any form. If we are going to have real supporters with real intentions, who have got integrity and who are bold, or we have got the audacity to fight for their idea, and who cannot be bought by useless politicians or rapacious ones, I think we will have a country that is thriving, a country that anyone can even envy of being belonged to. But as long as we are like this, tichipedzera munonza kunonzi kupedzera museve kumakungu hanga dzichiuya, ndo zvatiri kuita. Every day tine chibayana, chinobayanirwana hapana, chabuda manheru hapana. So let's be useful, not to be useless, because a useless person is seen by whatever he does, his discussions, his point of thought,